First Chronicles chapter 29, verse 11. The Holy Word of God has this to say, Thine, O Lord, is the greatness and the power and the glory and the victory and the majesty, for all that is in the heaven and in the earth is thine. Thine is the kingdom, O Lord, and thou art exalted as head above all. 1 Corinthians 11, verse 3. But I would have you know that the head of every man is Christ, and the head of the woman is the man, and the head of Christ is God. Ephesians chapter 4, verse 6. One God and Father of all, who is above all and through all and in you all. There is only one God, the God and Father of all. And He is the great Jehovah, the Father and the God of Jesus Christ. You see, friends, there could be no three co-eternal, co-equal God, because there's only one God who is above all, and He is the Father. May we understand these Bible truths.